What's up, y'all? It's your girl KDiani here, back with another video. And today, as titled, I'm going to be showing you guys different hairstyles to do with your soft locks. If you didn't already, make sure you guys go check out my soft locks that I did about a week ago. They were boho, but I went ahead and cut the little curly things out because they were getting on my nerves. But still, go check out that tutorial and my tutorial on how I did the messy baby hairs. They not messy right now. They just doing their thing. You know what I'm saying? They just doing their thing. But today I'm going to show you guys different hairstyles. I always like to do hairstyles with my protective styles that I put in my head. I don't like to wear it plain Jane. Okay? So, alright. But everything's going to be like very simple. Nothing too complicated. But I'm not going to ramble anymore. We're going to get straight into this video. So let's go.
It's called
right, y'all, so that is it for the other hairstyles that I randomly came up with to do with soft locks. I do have 2 other videos with other different hairstyles with soft locks, so make sure you guys go check that out. But that's it for this video. If you guys like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so that you're notified when I upload a new video. Until next time, peace.